all doing things a little differently these days, and you'll be glad to know you can still get your Mercedes-Benz serviced, MOT'd or repaired at your local retailer, easily and conveniently. It's really easy. You can book your appointment online at mymercedesservice.co.uk. Just fill in your car's details and select your local retailer or the retailer you'd like to use and obtain your quote. You can then choose a date for the appointment that's convenient for you. You've then got a choice of how to get your car to your retailer, with options including drop and go, where you take it yourself, or collect for a collection and delivery service. Once you've filled in your details and confirmed your appointment, your retailer will be in touch to tell you what to expect when you visit the showroom, as thanks to the social distancing measures they've put in place, it will be a slightly different experience to what you might be used to. So for servicing, MOTs and repairs, visit mymercedesservice.co.uk and let your retailer take care of the rest.